that rattle windows and wake people up at night.
Neighbors along the Wake County, Franklin County line contacted CBS 17 saying they've been hearing the loud blasts late at night and early in the morning. We sent CBS 17's Amy Cutler to get answers on those strange sounds. She joins us live tonight with what she found out. Amy.
Yeah, Angela, it certainly is a mystery. Neighbors first thought it was this NCDOT project widening 401. NCDOT tells me it's not them, that this project and no project in the area is causing these blasts.
Homeowners have been taking to Facebook and Nextdoor to write about the loud booming sounds or blasts. One says we lost power briefly. Another writing, our lights flickered. Still another says it woke them up.
It almost felt like an earthquake.
Elizabeth Elliott says it's been going on for at least 2 weeks, happening late at night or early in the morning.
We actually felt it / heard it this morning at like 5 or something like that.
Those around Barham Siding Road, close to the Wake County, Franklin County line, have been impacted. I reached out to the Wake County Sheriff's Office. They say in the last 2 days they've received 8 calls about it. The Franklin County Sheriff's Office tells me it received 2 calls Wednesday alone.
They're random and they're just a big boom. I mean, it's an explosion of some kind that goes off and you can't pinpoint it. It's hard for me to say exactly what it is.
Les Radford says he's heard loud noises in the area before. But this is different. He shared his theory.
It sounds like to me it might be one of those exploding targets that you could find at a hunting store, a hunting supply store somewhere. You shoot those targets, and if you hit the center, those targets explode.
Now, the Wake County Sheriff's Office confirms they sent 2 investigators out to try to determine exactly what's behind the blasts or loud booms. They say they still have not been able to determine the cause, so the mystery and frustration for homeowners continues. Live along the Wake County, Franklin County line, Amy Cutler, CBS 17 News.